Today I will discuss how to find a known coefficient of a pair of linear equations in two variables. How to find unknown coefficient of pair of linear equations in two variables. For this, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. General form of linear equation in two variable a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. For unique solution, condition a1 a2 not equal b1 b2. For unique solution, condition should be a1 a2 not equal b1 b2. We have learned condition for no solution a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2. Condition for infinite solution a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. One question, find the value of k for which pair of equations have unique solution. Find the value of k for which pair of equations have unique solution. Solutions are of three types: unique solution, no solution, infinite solution. Conditions are different. For condition for unique solution, first we write condition for unique solution is a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. In this question, a1 a2, a1 is 4, a2 is 2, p1 is a1 is 4, a2 is 2, b1 is p, b2 is 2, c1 is 8, c2 is 2, a1 a2, b1 b2, c1 c2. Put the value of a1 4, put the value of a2 2, not equal, put the value of b1 p, put the value of b2 2. By cross multiplication, 2p not equal to 8, p not equal to 8 by 2, p not equal 4. What is the value of p? What is the value of p? P is not equal to 4. Answer. Find the value of p for which pair of equations have unique solution. First question, 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0, 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. In this question, a1 is 4, a2 is 2, b1 is p, b2 is 2, c1 is 8, c2 is 2. Put the value in the condition. For unique solution, a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. a1 4, a2 2, b1 p, b2 2. By cross multiplication, 2 multiply p, 2p, 4 multiply 2, 8. P not equal 8 by 2, p not equal 4. This is the answer. Next question. Find the value of k for which pair of equations have no solution. No solution. Next question. Find the value of k for which pair of equations have no solution. No solution. For no solution, find the value of k. Example, kx plus 3y plus 2 minus k equal to 0. 12x plus k by minus k equal to 0. Condition for no solution. Condition for no solution is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2. Put the value a1. K is the value of a1. a1 equal to k, a2 equal to 12, b1 equal to b1 b2, c1 c2, b1 equal to 3, b2 equal to k, not equal, c1 equal to 2 minus k minus k, c2 equal to minus k. We can write k by 12 equal to 3 by k and 3 by k not equal to 2 minus k minus k. We have two solutions. K by 12 equal to 3 by k. First, solve k by 12 equal to 3 by k. K square equal to 36, k equal to plus minus under root 36 equal to plus minus 6. K equal to plus minus 6 satisfies the given condition. Hence, k equal to plus minus 6 means 6 or minus 6. K equal to plus minus 6 means k equal to 6 or minus 6. This is the answer. Next question. Find the value of k for which pair of equations have infinite solution. Infinite solution or infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. For example, kx plus 3y minus k minus 3 equal to 0. 12x plus ky minus k equal to 0. For infinite solution, we can write the condition. Condition for infinite solution is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Put the value of a1 a2. a1 means k, a2 means 12, b1 means 3, b2 means k by coefficient of y. b1 b2 means coefficient of y. c1 c2 minus k minus 3, देखो ध्यान दे, माइनस k माइनस 3, c1 c2 माइनस k by 12 equal to 3 by k और 3yk इक्वल टू माइनस k minus 3 minus k. By cross multiplication, k square equal to 36, k equal to plus minus under root 36 plus minus 6. 3 by k equal to k minus 3 by k. By cross multiplication, k into k minus 3 equal to 3k. K square minus 3k equal to 3k. K square minus 3k equal to 0. K square minus 6k equal to 0. K कॉमन है, तो k कॉमन लेने पर क्या होगा, k minus 6 equal to 0. k equal to 0 और k minus 6 equal to 0. k equal to 0 और k equal to 6. Common value of k is common value of k equal to 6. Hence k equal to 6 आंसर. कॉमन वैल्यू आंसर होगा. k का वैल्यू ऑफ k प्लस माइनस 6 और वैल्यू ऑफ k 0 और 6. कॉमन वैल्यू इज 6. आंसर k equal to 6. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Find the value of A and B for infinite solution. Find the value of A and B for infinite solution. 2x plus 3y equal to 7. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. First we can write in general form, that is 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. a minus b into x plus a plus b into y minus RHS में जो नंबर है LHS में लाओ, 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. First we can write the equation in general form, standard form. Condition for infinite solution is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, no, b equal to c1 by c2. a1 means 2, a2 means a minus b, b1 means 3, b2 means a plus b, c1 means minus 7, c1 means minus 7, c2 means minus 3a plus b minus 2. 2 by a minus b equal to 3 by a plus b और 3 by a plus b equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. माइनस माइनस कैंसिल कर दिया. By cross multiplication 2 into a plus b equal to 3 into a minus b. 3 into by cross multiplication 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 7 into a plus b. 2a plus 2b equal to 3a minus 3b. 2a minus 3a equal to minus 3b minus 2b minus a equal to minus 5b. a equal to 5b. By cross multiplication 9a plus 3b minus 6 equal to 7a plus 7b. 9a plus 3b minus 7a minus 7b equal to 6. 9a minus 7a 2a 3b minus 7b minus 4b equal to 6. Put the value of a. 2 into a means 5b. 10b minus 4b equal to 6. 6b equal to 6. b equal to 6 by 6 equal to 1. a equal to 5b. b is equal to 1. b is equal to 1. a equal to 5. a equal to 5. b equal to 1. This is the answer.